Did you know that 45% of gym members are millennials and 35% of gym members are Gen Z? That's why your gym needs to be front and center where people are looking. But with so many options out there, how do you make your message stand out and turn viewers into loyal members? Gym owner, fitness studio manager, feeling like your marketing is flatlining? It's time to inject some serious energy into your paid media strategy. Get ready for a workout that'll pump up those membership numbers. Did you know that 45% of gym members are millennials and 35% of gym members are Gen Z? That's why your gym needs to be front and center where people are looking. But with so many options out there, how do you make your message stand out and turn viewers into loyal members? Let's break down the paid media essentials for your gym's success. Key strategies: Meta ads and Google ads. Omnichannel remarketing. Let's dive into each essentials. Key strategies. Target smart, not broad. Separate campaigns for men, for example muscle building campaign, and women, for example weight loss campaign, mean you can speak directly to their pain points. Festive fitness. New Year's resolutions. Summer beach body goals. Craft seasonal campaigns for maximum impact. Offers entice. A free training day, a Black Friday deal, sweeten the pot to get M to sign up. Testimonials talk. Highlight those success stories. Video testimonials of real people build trust quickly. A/B test and experiment. Different videos, images, headlines, test it all to find what works best for your gym. Landing page perfection. A killer landing page converts clicks to clients. Phone number visible right away, and a super easy sign-up form. Lookalike wins. Upload your best customer data to Facebook and Google, they'll find you similar audiences to target for sky-high conversion potential. Before we move on, a quick reminder, if you're loving these tips, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Meta ads and Google ads. Let's explore each channel. Meta ads. Insta success. Instagram Reels and Stories are hot right now. Use those punchy, relatable ads to reel them in. Go beyond fitness. Sure, target fitness enthusiasts, but also think CrossFit buffs, yogis, martial artists. Broaden your reach. Google ads. Search and conquer. Gyms near me, gym in Los Angeles. You want your gym to pop up top. Target those keywords in Google ads for prime visibility. Google's hidden campaigns. Call ads, remarketing lists for search ads, competitor campaigns. Explore those Google ads campaigns. Performance Max and Discovery campaign. Google's PMax campaigns and Discovery ads spread your net super wide, reaching new pockets of potential members. You can try other channels like TikTok ads, Pinterest ads. Hey, liking what you hear? Smash that like button and let's spread the gym marketing knowledge. Omnichannel remarketing. Did someone click on your ad, maybe visit your site, but didn't commit? Hit them with a reminder on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube or Instagram. Familiarity breeds action. The conversion chase. Retarget those website visitors who showed interest but hesitated. Nurture those leads. Get emails using those ads. Nurture those potential clients, and you'll convert more over time. Phew, that's a lot, but remember. Tailored messaging wins the day. Test constantly to refine your strategies. Retargeting is your conversion secret weapon. A slick website and positive Google Maps reviews seal the deal. If you've got specific gym marketing questions, drop them in the comments. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching. Remember, consistent paid media and a killer strategy will bring your gym those results you crave. Stay tuned for more marketing mastery.